Hi there, today I'm going to be reviewing this Pictron Ulanzi smartphone tripod mount adapter. This obviously comes nicely packed. What happened recently is this piece of my tripod mount for my phone broke, and I had another tripod that didn't have a mount on it, and I was just going to buy another tripod, but then I figured out you could get these tripod mount adapters for cell phones. And so I did, and we're going to go ahead and check this one out. This one is one of the premium ones. It's Pictron or Ulanzi. It's the same company. And let's go ahead and see what's in the box first, and then we'll go ahead and mount it up and see how it works. Well, let's go ahead and take this out of the box. It's very well protected, wrapped in this cellophane here. Comes in this nice box. It's very heavy duty feeling. I like this here. It has these indentions to kind of hold onto your phone extra. I believe it's made out of aluminum, but it's definitely all metal, except for these pieces of rubber in here. So you can see it'll spin around all the way, and it looks like the main way to loosen it or tighten it is with this piece here. It feels very stable once it's in place, and so you can see you can mount your phone in different ways. The distance between here can go as small as 60 millimeters or 2.36 inches, or as long as 89 millimeters or 3.5 inches, so it should hold many phone sizes. This right here, this red knob loosens this piece here. And so it is a spring action. So right now I'm going to go ahead and first take a smaller phone. This is an iPhone 6s, and it fits nicely in here. I've got it mounted in the position here for a TikTok style video. We could loosen it up and mount it for a full-size video, so it fits the 6s very easily. Let's go ahead and loosen this up here, and we'll release our phone from it. Now we're going to put an iPhone 11 in here, which is the same size as an iPhone XR, but you can see it's even got a case on it, so it's much bigger. And we've already loosened this red piece here, so we can add it in, and it holds it very nice. And you can then tighten that up. We can also loosen this, move it around here. Works in the TikTok video style position or in the full-size video style. I'm going to go ahead and remove the phone, but it fits nicely, but it feels very sturdy and stable. And so yeah, let's go ahead and mount it up to our tripod and see how it looks. For the final piece of the puzzle, you can see we've got this 1/4-inch screw mount here. Just go ahead and mount it. Alright, and that mounted easy. As you can see, I'm loosening the back here to go ahead and mount the phone. And so we've got it mounted for TikTok style videos here, and you can see I can tighten this up so it stays stable, and turn it this way. It feels very nice and stable. I like it. It feels like the phone is not going to fall out of it, and it feels very durable. And so we'll go ahead and loosen this up again. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on our other tripod mount. You can see this has a different style mount. You have to loosen the screw from the back behind this plate here, and then just put that onto this plate, or put the plate onto this mount. Mount it back on here. Loosen the back up again, and turn it for a TikTok style video. Feels nice and stable. I think it works great. So just to recap, this right here, this tightens or loosens so that you can move this. If you tighten it, then this doesn't want to come out, so that gives it security there. And then this right here loosens so that you can move this piece around here. And that's pretty much how it works. And I'm very impressed with it. Like I said, it's very heavy duty. It feels very secure holding onto your phone. It's very easy to adjust and to fit different size phones in it. As you saw, it fit the iPhone 6s and the iPhone 11, which are very different in size. So I hope you enjoyed my review of this Pictron Ulanzi tripod smartphone adapter. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.